U-lock key, and my U-lock is locked onto the frame of my bike and the wheel, so it's kind of, I can't bike right now, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get a bolt cutter. They rent them for like, I think the minimum is like 4 hours for 10 bucks, and then hopefully it's strong enough to break the U-lock, and then I can start using my bike again.
For any illegal activity, we don't want to know. Okay? For our sake and yours, okay?
Okay, cool.
Alright, so let's see here. Alright, so 4 hour minimum is the charge that we're going to give you. $10 plus $2 in rental tax and damage. Go ahead and read through it, click next, and sign. Basically what you're adhering to is if you use that tool for something other than what it's designed for and it breaks, we will charge you a repair cost.
Okay.
So obviously it's only used for one thing, and that's cutting locks or chains. Okay? So go ahead and put the credit card in or debit card for $25. That's going to be.
And then when I'm done with it, I just come back here with it?
Yep, you come back to the store. Anything that you rent from this store, you bring it back to us. Okay?
Oh, I just checked it out from the rental place. It's like 12 bucks for $4, which is pretty cheap. I think if you want to buy it, it's like 80 bucks. And then there's like the deposit, which is $25. Yeah, but I get it for 4 hours. I looked online, and if I'm not weak, I should be able to do this in like 5 minutes. Yes. So as you just saw, that was like, I don't know, that was less than 5 minutes. It was pretty easy. I just had to get like the right grip or whatever. I was like leaning into it. But yeah, that was pretty quick, so I'm returning it now. And then after that, I'll have to buy a new lock.
See, it was that quick.
Yeah. I think it was like you were confused.
Okay.
It's the first time ever.
All right. There you go.
Alright, cool.
All right.
Thanks so much.
No worries. All right.
So now I'm heading over to Target. Gonna buy a new U-lock, and then I haven't used it in a while, so I probably have to pump the tires, and then I'll be all set. How is there way more people at Home Depot than there is at Target? There's like so many empty spots. They changed the whole layout here, and now I like don't know where anything is. Well, that's all. If you ever lose your bike key for your U-lock, you can always rent a bolt cutter from Home Depot for like 14 bucks. Yep, that's all.